Welcome to Gaeilgeoir AI. Today we're exploring the Irish phrase koh-wir-jah-kus, which translates to congratulations. This phrase is commonly used to express joy and good wishes for someone's achievements or special occasions. Basically, the exact same way we would use congratulations in English. Now, let's practice the pronunciation together. This one can be difficult, so we'll break it down into smaller pieces before trying the full word. Koh-wir-jah-kus. 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 Koh-wir-jah-kus.
Craving more Irish greetings? Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and for a real boost to your learning journey, visit Gaeilgeoir.ai, your AI-powered Irish language companion.